Hello, I'm Magid Aziz, and I teach Darbuka on Magid Darbuka channel. If your main language is English, don't forget to check the playlist in the video description to learn Darbuka step by step easily. If you want to sound like a pro, you don't need complicated rhythms. You just need to know how to switch between rhythms smartly. And that's exactly what we're learning today. Today, we're working on two very important rhythms, Maqsum and Masmoudi. When you mix them correctly, you instantly sound like a professional, and you break out of being stuck in one rhythm and gain freedom in your playing. Let's quickly review both rhythms. Maqsum. If you want to learn Maqsum in detail, check the link in the video description. Masmoudi. If you want to learn Masmoudi in detail, check the link in the video description. Now let's start mixing. The key is not to switch suddenly, but to make a smooth transition. Example, play Maqsum 4 times. Then switch to Masmoudi for 4 times. If you liked this idea, tell me in the comments what rhythms you want to mix next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.